Hey, Commander Morning. Uyabona ke le ngithi angikhulume nje kuseni. Ngakangena ngishe ehhovisi. Uyabona. So yesterday bekunama by elections ne eJoburg nase Moy River eMoy Mpofana ne. So MK it was not our night yesterday, comrades. So nonetheless, we must appreciate those people who came out in numbers and voted for MK. So we cannot take it for granted, because there are a number of people who voted for us. Unfortunately, we didn't make it. You see, comrades, I was analyzing Makpoma result yesterday. Analyzing when's come to rural based what MK is not doing well. Is not doing well. Ngakwenzela example ngoward 15 kwaMhlaba uyalingana asenzanga kahle, including low ward 4 kuke kwaba nama by elections last year. We didn't do well again. This year we didn't do well. Ophongolo ke kwanama by elections what 12 we didn't do well again. What 15 eMtubatuba again we didn't do well. Ngikhuluma ngama rural based lentos what enkandla kwaku ward 11 if I'm not mistaken, or yeah kwaku ward 11 or ward 4 sengikhohle ukuthi kwaku ward ban. We didn't do well nakhona yabona, but we're coming number 2 number 3 in those what. So I'm just analyzing here ukuthi ngibuka nje ngasekhaya ward 9 enkandla neMfongosi. Ngasekhaya most of activist people who've been doing the elections work from 1994, those people are still with the ANC. Activist nje asuka mancane kakhulu, asuka ngale kagogo eza ngala kumkhonto, but the rest of the people they are new in politics. Abantu nje esinabo they are new in politics, maybe 2 or 3, but abantu nje abayingqweqwa kade bewasebenza elections they are still kagogo yabona. So ama elections ke comrade are very different when it come to omasipala basemakhaya unlike ukuthi ukhuluma ngama national elections omasipala basemakhaya basuke bedinga ama local activists usi ukuthi for a fact ukuthi mina ngihlala eBondweni, I'm voting EMK and I'm campaigning for EMK, and they can relate abantu bangasekhaya nami ukuthi oh nangi lo muntu weMK, oh hayi makunonqanawe lapha it's fine yabona, we can vote for EMK. Ngiyaphi ngalento yami? Ngiya ngokuthi when it come to rural based vote, comrades, si shorter human resource. We need to recruit more activists in rural based wards and regions, because those people are the one who understand dynamics, regions well or what. So long as labantu bese ngaphesheya laphana, vele somewhere somehow they will hurt us. Because they know the ground. They've been on the ground since 1994. They know all the corners of the world. And then Uyakhamuka uNqanawe is new on politics, Uyakhamuka uNqanawe is new on politics. Is mobilizing for umkhonto wesizwe, will do that motto ke there and there yabona. So make no mistake, the traditional strategy of winning ama elections sisasebenza, comrade. Sisasebenza. You see ukuthi ka ward 4 eMpofana February ANC was already campaigning there eMpofana. Base bazi ukuthi sizoya kuma by elections. Oh thina sibhizi no ward 28 sibhizi no ward 28 thina. iANC yayilapha eMpofana campaigning abohlomuka abojob kuningi kudala be campaign, and they were doing ama door to door yabona. addressing ama issues are immediately lapha what for empofana. That's why they were voted. That's why bevoteliwe, even though besabise ezinye ingane ngalo 1000 special vote comserve or inserve whatever yabona, but in reality ithi kudala be on the ground ne while thina we were busy namanye amaward in to an extent ukuthi ama comrade they were in fighting nakhona ukuthi who must be a candidate there, into an extent ukuthi comrade SG had to go there just to fix leyanto leyaseMpofana. Usi ukuthi instead ukuthi ama comrade eshaya udoor to door asebenze lingabikho icandidate basalwele into zangaphakathi ne. So mina I'm glad ukuthi some of the things yabona ziyayi manifesta early yabona, so that uthi kufika u2026 we are ready yabona. Kodwa nje mina into engishoyo especially kwi leadership yethu ne, so just pay attention kuma rural based regions, and then we must recruit more people who are familiar naleyo ndawo le, who are familiar naleyo ndawo, abantu abaziwayo either bakagogo EFF or kephi. We must go and fetch those people so that they will come to MK and assist us kuma rural based wards, because mahamba kanjena no will sizo end up sinama PR councillors amaningi than ama ward councillors, because thina we need ukuthi sithathe konke comrade. The ground is very fertile yabona, kuukuthi experience there and there ama comrade yawashaya yabona. So experience ke comrade ayithenga when it come to ama elections, angeke uyithenga experience yabona. I-experience angeke uze uyithenga when it comes to our elections. You need to work, yabona. You need to work. You need to know all the corners of the ward. So without knowing all corners of your ward, all corners of your regions, it's gonna be very difficult to make it, yabona. So we need more human resource. Yeah. We need to focus. We need to focus more, comrades, kuma rural based regions and rural based wards, because comrades, I mean, I can tell you for free ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe manje kuthiwa kunama by elections manje Mlazi, kunama by elections manje eChesterville, khohlwana comrades, kunama by elections manje eMbali, kunama by elections manje France, khohlwana comrade, will come on, yabo comrade, will come on top. Kuthiwa kunama by elections eChesterville, kunama by elections eFrance, will come on top lapho ne. Yazi ngobani? Ingoba sithathe ama activist akagogo. Yes, ama activist asukile kukagogo aya kumkhonto wesizwe. Those people are familiar with ama dynamics ama wards. Those people are familiar with ama dynamics ama branch, yabona. So experience, we need experience in politics. Ngeke uvuke nje usuwinile. Ama elections la are very complicated, especially local government elections are very complicated. So it's our duty as MK members to go and recruit more activists from Kwagogo, from EFF, from Winkatha Freedom Party. We must go and recruit those activists bebuye beze ngala, so that they will assist us kule human resources nayo. We must add cream on top of low cream lona esinayo. Urise ukuthi comrade ngeke bashaye MK is too strong for them. It's too strong. Ukuthi nje kuba nalawo minor issues there and there yabona. So Commander, we fought a good fight. We didn't make it, kodwa ke alutha continue yabona. Umzabalazo uyaqhubeka comrade.